Hey guys, I'm Anshtabari and you're watching Little Bulls. So today we'll learn about the second chapter in volatility course, which is of course implied volatility. So first I'll share my screen and show you the PPT. So in the volatility course, we have finished historical volatility and today we will study implied volatility or IV. So what is IV? So first we should know that only options have implied volatility while every other chart has historical volatility, which is, well, of course the volatility as how much it moves, and the implied volatility is the main input source for most of the option pricing models, if not all. And implied volatility or IV, it represents the current forecast for future volatility, which means that it's the market's best guess for what the volatility will be at the end, which is the expiry, and it moves constantly. Like, for every data that comes in, it gets recalculated using using the Black-Scholes model, which is a big formula that's like hard to calculate. So it moves constantly for every data that they get, and for how much it moves constantly, this is Sensible, a very great website for a few brokers. Wait a second. Yes. So Sensible gives us implied volatility charts, also historical. So this is the implied volatility from 17th April to yesterday or day before yesterday, the last working day, I think. And it shows how the options price is recalculated every day, which is given. I guess, okay, candles better. Yeah. So it recalculates the IV every day, making it a dynamic number which moves constantly and is recalculated every day that the data comes in. And this is how the IV data looks like. So IV represents the future. So every IV before today is now considered as historical volatility. So we will consider this as the historical volatility, and the forward part is implied volatility. So it's the current expectation of volatility in the future. So by the end of the expiry, this is what the model thinks is going to be the IV at the expiry. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.